Psalm 124. Psalm 124. Lesi sikhashanyana nje esinaso. Sekwamazwi ke lawo bazalwane esohamba ngawo. Psalm 124 izofunda verse 1 and 2 bese ngenza no 5 bese ngenza no 6 and 7. Verse 1 and 2, 6 and 7. Psalm 124. If the Lord had not been on our side, let Israel say, if the Lord had not been on our side when people attacked us. That's verse 3, which is Opelini sentence. They would have swallowed us alive when their anger fled against us. Verse 6, and praise be to the Lord, who has not let us be torn by their teeth. And verse 7, we have escaped like a bird from the fowler's snare. The snare has been broken and we have escaped. Amen. Amen. Let's catch another especially that's the news and let's catch another especially Sifunda mazwi ithi nje lapha, if the Lord had not been on our side when people attacked us. For me, every time I read this verse, I always feel ukuthi it does not necessarily get the response that it needs when we are reading it in a congregation. If it had not been for the Lord on our side when people attacked us, in the sense where our lives are not threatened or as tools, noma asabi the wild animals, asabi we are terrified of other human beings. If the Lord had not been on our side when people attacked us, there are attacks that we are experiencing on earth. One of them, the second thing is, almost experience attacks from human beings or from people. We are experiencing attacks from those that we call friends. We are experiencing attacks from those that we call church members. Experiencing attacks from those that we call spouses. Sitwala from every side, we are attacked by human beings. And the intellect, the reason why we are not consumed, it is simply because the Lord was on our side. So in other words, he was for us, he was on our side. It is kicked around by some of us who the force in when we speak of the Lord being on our side, but if we cannot Christ the reason why there is Christ who is within us, who sustains us. God was against me. If it had not been for the Lord on our side, Mama says, testimonies, and we have heard from the session that come up. There are things that you then you ask yourself a question: how were they sustained? It is the Lord that has been on our side. That is why we are not consumed. If it had not been for the Lord on our side, in the absence of God, we can never survive. It is the terms that are used in these verses and given in interest book. They would have swallowed us alive. It is a bit of a process. They would have swallowed us alive. In less than a second, there's no trace quickly in our God. So, from the very beginning, in their Tosha is real. Why in temptation of guardians or Satan may figure swallowed up from Adam to Eve, and there was never going to be a trace of humanity after that. If it had not been for the Lord on our side, that was who was woman. Praise be to the Lord who has not let us be torn by their teeth. Up to verse 7, we have escaped. Praise be to the Lord. Yes, means we have escaped. In other words, worship precedes escape. That's what Allah was about. So in other words, we worship. In fact, we don't worship in order to escape. We worship even when there's no sign of escape. Paul and Silas, when they sang in the prison, said, they were singing, acknowledging the presence of God with them in the prison cell. So far that even when the prison gates were open, they remained inside. Because the ulterior motive was not to get out, but they were seeking in acknowledgement of the presence of God with them in the prison cell. So if you worship, not necessarily because you want to escape, you worship in the absence of a possibility of escaping, as long as God is with you where you are.
Amen.
Because one of the biggest problems you can do is find the quickest way to escape and leave God behind. There were four. They were walking around in the fire. One may ask a question: if they were freed from the chains, why did they not walk out? They remained walking. It is as if they were saying, the God we stood for outside of the fire is now with us in the fire. Should we leave him behind? They walked around in the fire. When we worship, we don't worship for a way to escape. We worship acknowledging the presence of God in the midst of the cage. So we praise not necessarily because we want to escape, but we praise because we are being troubled on every side, but we are still surviving. We are surviving because of the God that sustains you. Listen, look to the facility. Nathi sesigashulile okibeni. Yabona ke methi njengento sesigashulile okibeni. Ngamanye amazwi ithi ngazuthi kukhona umuntu oqhamukile to free the bird. Now, ngobuka le illustration, he freed the bird. Yahamba inyoni iphila. Nalo oyifreed inyoni waqhubeka nendlela yakhe wahamba. But if you bring this to us human beings, it was Jesus Christ who broke the snare of eternal death. But unfortunately for him, under the illustration I made, akaspudula sapila wapi, waspudula sapila wafa. So message we have been made free. It is someone who had to sacrifice his life in order for us to live. That's what I was saying. So let's put of thriving. We are not thriving in the absence of enemies, or thriving is not about the absence of enemies. It is solely about the presence of God. Is it about God? But even in the midst of his sins, zikhona izinto ngobuNkulunkulu. Sifisa ngathi ngalamazwi sokhuluma namhlanje. Nangeyinkonzo seyizwakele throughout the weekend eqalile. Engathi singathi mesiphuma la siphume sithi we know that we have been set free. Because of the God that lives within us.
Amen.
Sishayekile apha nalapho. Abanye bazalwane bahlukumezeke kuwe ngaphakathi sila throughout this weekend. Kodwa uNkulunkulu kwazini kusithwala. Sakwazi uku-attenda each and every session, salalela ukukhulumisana nathi, but bese siyitholile izinto ezisilimazayo sithetha ngaphakathi. So sizothi bazalwane, when we leave this place, sifisa ngathi uNkulunkulu angasithwala, umoya wakhe ungahlala ngaphakathi kini, nomizwe lingasenza kini, bese siyasurvive because of the Christ that lives within us. uNkulunkulu akasibusise ngalamazwi. Ifise ngathi besivala singathula number 146 ukuze sizokubiza uphila ngaphakathi kwakho, so that when we walk out of here, we know that we have been equipped and empowered with God, so that we will stand whatever happens. Number 146, as we are preparing to pray.